Meow Meow's favorite is dessert. Even though dinner is over, with just a blink, Sweet Garden's cakes and everything else are already in the tummy.
Wow, so delicious.
Meow meow. It's time to brush your teeth.
I know. Good night.
Hey, Meow Meow, you haven't brushed your teeth yet. Is it okay? Can we really do this? Meow Meow dreams of eating sweets. Oh, food crumbs all over the teeth. Oh, what's hiding behind Meow Meow's front teeth?
1, 2, 3.
It's the little elf. The elf live in our mouths. What? You say there are no elf? It's because you haven't noticed them. During the day, the elf lie in our ears, sleeping sweetly.
Hi.
The elf are not naughty elf, you know.
Sweep here, wipe there. Find the snowy white cloth. And clean the teeth covered in food crumbs.
Oh dear, Meow Meow, you've made your teeth so dirty. Look, the teeth are back to being white and shiny again. After finishing their work, the elf happily lie down one by one on Meow Meow's belly to rest.
Oh my, so tired.
Meow Meow doesn't have cavities, but it's all thanks to the elf. But Meow Meow isn't brushing their teeth properly again.
Oh dear, it's so dirty again.
It's too dirty. Even though the elf clean every night, the dirt just keeps accumulating more and more.
Ah, can't seem to clean it completely.
The gentle elf suddenly transform into fierce elf.
Dirty stuff. So sticky.
The elf begin to vigorously clean the teeth.
Hate it.
Hate it.
Really hate it.
Whether you get cavities or not, forget it. Forget it. Don't care.
Oh no, Meow Meow's toothache is getting worse and worse. It hurts so much.
What? It hurts.
Oh no, we have to go see the dentist.
No. I hate the dentist.
We have to. We must get your toothache treated by the dentist.
AHH. Wow, so many cavities. No wonder it hurts so much. Don't worry, I will take care of each one for you.
The cavities are healed, and the elf has returned to being gentle.
I have to keep an eye on Meow Meow's teeth all the time.
But what if Meow Meow never brushes its teeth from now on? The elf would become irritable. The elf would pluck out Meow Meow's cavities one by one. In that case, no new teeth would grow back. If all the teeth are pulled out, then only dentures can be fitted, and Meow Meow won't be able to bite hard food anymore. Oh, and beware, dentures might even fly out with a puff. How scary is that? So, you must brush your teeth seriously.
Sure.